Scientists study marine life, underwater ecosystem and deep sea environment. Modern tools such as submarine underwater robots make the ocean exploration possible. These technologies also support fishing, tourism and renewable energy.
Super.
Hello sir, it is a remotely operated robot. ROV is an underwater robot controlled from mission. It explores deep ocean where human cannot go easily. It is used for repairs, researches and underwater inspection. Thank you.
Great information. Yes.
Good morning sir. Deep sea submarine. Deep sea submarine carries people to great ocean where they can withstand extreme underwater pressure. Scientists use them to explore deep sea ecosystem. Good morning, sir. Deep sea ecosystem. Deep sea submarine carries people to great ocean and they can withstand extreme underwater pressure. Scientists use them to explore deep sea ecosystem. Thank you.
Super. Well done.
Good morning, sir. Smart buoy. Smart buoy floats on the ocean and collects the data. It measures wave, weather, and water condition. Information sent to the research center.
Coral reef monitoring system. This system helps to predict the health of coral reef. Sensors and cameras detect the environmental changes. Coral reef help to protect marine biodiversity. Thank you.
Salinity measurement system. Salinity measures the amount of salt in water. It influences ocean current and marine ecosystem. Scientists monitor the salinity to study the climate change scenario.
Good.
Glass bottom triplets. We will see underwater. Passengers can view coral reefs and fish safely. It is popular in marine tourism. Thank you.
Ocean cleaning mission. Ocean cleaning mission helps to remove floating waste from the ocean. It helps to reduce ocean pollution. And a cleaner ocean is equal to healthier ecosystem. Thank you.
Good morning. A cruise ship is designed to carry tourists across the ocean to visit beautiful places around the world. It's not just a boat, it's a vacation. It provides accommodation, rooms to sleep in, travel and all at the same time. Finally, to keep us everyone safe, modern cruise ship use advanced navigation systems like GPS and radar. So, it's a perfect mix of travel and fun and high-tech engineering time. A floating resort. A floating resort is built on water. It offers luxury accommodation and ocean view. Some resorts use renewable energy and
Floating.
Yes. It offers luxury accommodation and ocean view. Thanks. Underwater museum. An underwater museum displays sculptures beneath the sea. It attracts tourists and supports marine ecosystem. Artificial reefs are often formed around this exhibit. Thanks. Hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents are underwater gas formed by tectonic activity. Where superheated rich mineral water blasts through the ocean floor. The temperature can reach over 400 degrees Celsius. These vents operate at the midnight zones. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. A future ocean city. A future ocean city could float on sea. It may use renewable energies and smart technologies. It helps to solve land and resources shortage.
Robotic arm for deep sea sampling. Robotic arm collects samples from the ocean floor. They can handle objects with high precision. Scientists use them to study the marine 3D ocean floor mapping model. This technology creates the detail about the maps of the seabed. Sonar system measure underwater depth, details and ocean floor. Ocean temperature monitoring buoy. This buoy measures the ocean temperature continuously. Temperature affects the weather in marine life. This data helps scientists to do researches. Wave to electricity generator. This generator converts the wave motion into electricity. This generator uses the renewable resource from the ocean such as wave. And this also helps us reduce the use of fossil fuels nowadays. Submarine to the surface communication. Submarines communicate using acoustic signals. Information is transferred from water to the surface. This technology allows underwater operations. Water quality testing laboratory. Scientists test the water sample in this laboratory. They analyze the chemical content and water pollution. This research helps to protect our marine environment. Good morning, sir. Hydraulic droplets help to open for passing ship. This uses fluid pressure to lift the bridge. This technology supports the marine transportation. Good morning, sir. Plankton collection and analysis device. This device collects tiny plankton from seawater. Plankton are important for ocean food chain. Scientists study them to understand ocean health. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Underwater AI robot exploration. This robot uses artificial intelligence underwater. It can navigate and collect data independently. AI improves efficiency of ocean exploration. Thank you.
AI underwater.
A deep ocean observatory monitors ocean conditions. Sensors collect data from the sea. It helps scientists study long-term changes.
Come back. Then show us.
Scuba diving system. Scuba diving allows people to breathe underwater. Divers carry compass data used to research, recreation, rescue.
Smart fishing boat. Smart fishing boat is a GPS and sonar. It helps the fishermen locate fish efficiently. Water system improves safety and productivity. Ocean thermal energy conversion OTEC plant. OTEC uses temperature differences in ocean water. It generates electricity using warm and cold water. It is a renewable energy technology. Fishing drone. Fishing drones provide a
water to locate fish. They provide a real-time data. This technology saves time.
Good morning, sir. NASA discovered on accelerators. NASA discovered water gases on accelerators. There are water liquid ocean melon with such service. We make our conditions suitable. Good morning, sir.
Water quality station. It measures the condition of ocean water. It checks temperature, pH, and pollution level. The data helps to protect marine life.
Underwater hotel. An underwater hotel allows guests to stay below the sea. Large windows provide views of marine sea. It combines tourism with ocean activities. Floating offshore control generated power from sea. Turbines are placed on floating platforms. They provide clean and sustainable energy. The Titan submarine accident. In 2020, the Titan submarine imploded due to the drag of the Titanic. Extreme water pressure caused a catastrophic failure. This incident highlights the importance of deep sea exploration scientific. Good morning, sir. Conclusion. Ocean technology helps us to understand, explore, and protect underwater world. Modern innovation helps us to renewable energy and sustainable use of ocean. Together, science and technology can build a better future for our oceans. So the ocean protect the future.
Yes,
Thanks,
yes.
sir. The deep sea exploration submarine is designed to travel to extreme ocean depths where sunlight does not reach and the pressure is very high. It is equipped with cameras, sensor lights, and even robotic arms to study about underwater environment. Scientists use it to explore marine life, shipwrecks, hydrothermal vents, and deep sea landscape. It plays an important role in understanding and discovering.
Yes. One or two lines, speak. Finish. Let her finish, ma.
Deep sea ocean sample collection. This system gathers rocks, segments, and organisms. Sample helps scientists to study deep ocean. Special tools are used for the collection.
Good morning, sir. AUV, Autonomous Underwater Vehicle. An AUV is a self-driving underwater vehicle. It controls ocean data without human being. It helps scientists, maps, and study about ocean life.
To study about ocean, yes.
Every day we hear about oil spill, plastic pollution, and damage to our ocean. But who actually help develop technology to solve these problems?
People like me.
Hey, who are you?
I'm you from the future.
Me? What did I become?
I became an ocean engineer. I designed and developed technology which are useful to explore, monitor, and protect our oceans.
That's amazing. But how did I actually help to protect our ocean?
We developed technologies such as pollution monitoring systems, underwater robots, and ocean sensors which help us detect pollution.
Pena. You are also, sir.
From the morning, sir.
It's an amazing ocean of food chain, which serves all energy flows from one living organism to another in the sea. Every creature from tiny plankton to the giant whales depends upon this chain for survival.
Yes, one line, first one line enough. Just briefly tell me. I have to visit all rooms, 800 students.
Producers and primary consumers. At the base of the ocean system are phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms that produce food using sunlight through photosynthesis. Secondary consumers and predators. Small fish are eaten by larger fish, squids, and other marine animals known as secondary consumers. Scientists continue to monitor oratory blast and decline plankton population caused by the rising water temperature, highlighting the need for marine conservation. Ships help to transport goods, people, and supply across the ocean. Lighthouse guides the way by warning them about rocks on the coastline. If the ocean food chain is not working, predators and prey population become unbalanced. Some marine animals may run out of food while others may increase too much.
Super. Well made. Great work.
Every ocean life begins with a simple food chain. Protect the food chain beside the ocean. A healthy food chain starts with a healthy food chain.
Yes.
The ocean sun lies in every living link. One broken link can affect the ocean.
Every breath begins with phytoplankton.
Food plankton are tiny 15 animals in the ocean. They mainly feed on phytoplankton. They are important to get the food chain. Small fish and whales eat zooplankton. Some glow in dark to bioluminescence. They help transfer energy to higher traffic levels. Small fish eat plankton and microscopic organisms. Some large fish eat smaller fish. These create super marine. Examples include sardines eaten by tuna. Predators help control fish population. Healthy fish chain maintains ocean balance. The energy pyramid shows energy fluid ecosystem. Producers form the broad base. Energy decreases at each higher level.
A food channel displays a feeding relationship. Rotating sections connect organisms. Next, predators hunt and eat other animals. Prey animals serve food sources. Both purpose and influence each other. This relationship maintains ecological balance. Too many predators can reduce prey numbers. Nature constantly adjusts these populations.
Predators means they are killing other small ones.
Many whales feed on krill and plankton. Marine whales filter food from seawater. They contain lot of
The whale is the world's bigger animal. It eats tiny fish. The whale is
Feeding model, yes.
Sharks are top predators in many oceans. They feed on fish, seals, and squid.
They help maintain healthy marine population.
The game improves observation and reasoning skills. It makes science enjoyable and memorable. Interactive learning increases student
Two
engagement.
likes.
Deep ocean receive a little or no sunlight. Many organisms depend on falling off organic matter.
Fossil fishes represent different organisms. The organism eaten by small fish and large fish. In the process, phytoplankton is produced that is eaten by consumer and zooplankton.
The activity develops critical thinking skills. It helps identify feeding relationships. Learning becomes engaging and memorable.
Producers make food using sunlight. Consumers obtain food from other organisms. Decompose break down dead matters.
Nutrients are recycled back into the ecosystem. Each group has an important role. Without decomposition, the rest would accumulate. Nutrients move continuously through ocean. Marine organisms use nutrients for growth. Dead matter returns nutrients to the ocean.
Plastic waste affect many sea animals. Conservation helps restore ecosystem. Responsible action protect marine life.
Everwin goal.
Pollution can harm marine organisms. Food chain becomes unbalanced and once this is declines, many are separated from the ecosystem. Ocean contains some of the world. Sea turtle and many shark-faced threats. Conservation program help protect them. Every species has an ecological role.
Arctic one of the ice affects to availability.
Yes.
Arctic marine food chain begins when ice algae zooplankton feeds on these producers.
Mangroves grow along tropical coastlines. Fallen leaves and dead animals provide protein. Many fishes will have depend on the mangrove acts as nursery.
In the arrow stops on the Arctic. The player must say what it sees and what eats it. Correct answer 1 point. Highest score wins.
Try it. Okay, try it. This one. Well done.
Grow up to 60 centimeters a day. These forests are by rainforests of the sea.
Learning about a food chain can open a door to a whole world of career. Learn about food chain and become its protector tomorrow.
From microplankton to microbes, every ocean creates its own ancestral life.
Very awesome, of course, yes.
We learned about ocean food chain. Learn about the reef.
Yes, marine good marine biology. What should we study?
After class 12, choose BSc, Marine Biology, Oceanography, Fisheries Science and Environmental Science.
Well done, children. Great.
I am a marine biologist. My office is inside this building in the ocean. My job is to study and protect dolphins, whales, sea turtles, coral reefs, and other amazing sea creatures.
Conserve coral reefs, mangroves, and marine sanctuaries to protect the ocean biodiversity and ensure a healthy future for marine life.
A healthy future ocean will have clean water, cleaning coral reef, adapted fishes, protect wildlife, reducing pollution and conserving beach cleanups.
Okay, anyway, she's very adamant.
Beach cleanups remove harmful waste before it reaches the ocean. Plastic-free ocean protects turtles, birds, and fishes.
Community participation spreads environmental awareness, clean coastlines improve biodiversity and tourism.
Many marine animals face extinction due to pollution and overfishing. Conservation protects their habitat and reduces.
Extinction means going away, appearing. Tigers also same.
Every species play a unique role in the ecosystem. Saving endangered animals keeps nature balanced. Protecting one species benefits all. Responsible fishing benefits both nature and fishing communities as sustainable seafoods secures food for the future generations.
Sustainable fishing prevents overfishing and protects science. Eco-friendly methods reduce harmful turtles and dolphins.
Finish, no?
Public awareness encourages people to reduce plastic use and recycle responsibly. Small actions create big environmental changes. Healthy oceans provide food, oxygen, and livelihoods.
Yes. Healthy habits. Great.
A healthy future ocean will have clean water, thriving coral reefs, abundant fish, and protected wildlife. Reducing pollution and conserving habits are essential. Sustainable
Things
practices.
are put in the sea. We see everything in the sea already. We are polluting.
Ocean Conservation Park. Ocean parks safeguard coral reefs, fish, and endangered animals. Human activities are carefully controlled within these areas. They provide safe breeding and feeding grounds.
Conservation parks prevent biodiversity for future generations. Healthy park is a healthy ocean. Artificial reefs create new habitat for fish and coral. They restore damaged ecosystem and improve biodiversity. These structures reduce pressure on natural reef. Marine life quickly called it artificial reef. They are valuable conservation.
Marine sanctuaries protect breeding grounds and endangered species. Harmful activities are restricted to preserve biodiversity. These safe habitats allow marine life to flourish.
Sanctuaries promote ecological balance. They ensure long-term coastal conservation.
Ecological balance. One killing each other. Finish it. Hello, how are you? Are you speaking here?
Yes.
Mangroves are natural coastal protectors that reduce erosion and storm damage. Their roots provide shelter to fish and plants.
They improve water quality and store large amount of carbon. Conserving mangrove protects wildlife and coastal communities. Healthy mangrove create healthy ocean.
Coral reefs support thousands of marine species and protect coastline. Scientists grow healthy corals in nerve system to apply the water damage.
Restore, increase biodiversity, support tourism and fishes. Coral conservation protects the delicacies of the habitat. They support nearby fishing community by increasing the fish population. Protecting this habitat ensure a healthy ocean for the future generations.
Marine protected area are safe zone where marine life can grow without disturbance. Fishing and harmful activities are restricted to protect biodiversity. Ocean conservation
Yes. Speak.
Ocean conservation or conservation of prevent illegal fishing, pollution, and rapid destruction of international cooperation strengthens the marine protection, sustainable ocean strengthens the ocean.
Choosing sustainable seafood reduces overfishing and protects marine diversity. Responsible fisheries follow eco-friendly habits.
Consumers play an important role to inform the choices. Sustainable seafood supports healthy oceans. Every responsible purchase makes a difference.
Whale conservation. Whales help maintain healthy oceans by recycling nutrients and supporting marine food chains. Protected migration routes improve their survival. Healthy whale population strengthen ocean ecosystem. Sea turtles are survived for millions of years but are not threatened by plastic pollution and survive. Rescue programs save the include
They
turtles.
are the longest living. 150 years they can live.
Sea turtles maintain healthy seagrass and habitat loss, protecting nesting creatures and reducing plastic waste, helps them in coral reefs. Mangrove ecosystem can support birds, fish, crabs and insects. Their roots prevent erosion and improve water quality. Mangroves absorb carbon and reduce climate change. They are among the Earth's most valuable ecosystems. Indonesia has most mangroves. By protecting nature, sustainable industry create jobs and economic growth. Responsible management conserve biodiversity. Local community partners in maintain conservation. Awareness campaign inspire responsible behavior with community action. Dolphins and individual mammals irrigate the earthy ocean. Pollution and abundant fishing restricted their lives.
Climate change warms ocean and causes coral bleaching. Reducing greenhouse gas emission helps marine ecosystem to recover. Renewable energy lowers environmental damage. Climate action protects biodiversity and coastline.
Yes. Enough. Well presented. Children. Great. Yes. Start. This model.
There are different types of coral and coral reef. Branching coral, brain coral, soft coral, table coral, tube coral. Each
Coral reef are home to amazing marine animals such as parrotfish, paddlefish, sea animals, and etc.
Coral reef often serve as a natural barrier against floods, storms and waves.
Coral reef and importance. Coral reef have different reef zones based on its depth. Reef zone, surface zone. This zone is also known as sunlight zone, 0 to 50 meters. Shallow reef, below 50 to 200 meters. Deep reef, below 200 meters. Different species live in different reef zones.
Coral reefs are underwater structures built by tiny organisms called coral polyps. These coral polyps build hard skeleton over time, forming beautiful reefs. Coral reefs are underwater ecosystem built by coral polyps. They are called the rainforests of the sea. They support fish, crab, turtle, and many marine organisms.
They help in maintaining ocean balance. Coral reef covers less than 1% of the ocean but support 25% of the marine life.
Rain corals protect the human race. They have forehead and root surfaces. These grooves can capture nutrients. Rain corals grow slowly.
Rain corals can live 900 years or more. They are among the longest living
Salmon corals looks like deer antlers. They are fast-growing corals which grows 20 centimeters per year.
They provide shelter to small fishes.
Finish.
They help in reef feeding.
Coral polyps are tiny dead animals. They have tentacles on their mouth.
Coral bleaching occurs due to stress. The main reason is ocean warming. Coral lose algae called zooxanthellae. Without algae, corals die.
Bleaching does not mean coral death immediately. Corals can recover if water cools down quickly. Repeated corals can.
Reef is habitat. Reefs protect fish from the predators. Reefs protect from the predators and they eat also as meat eaters.
Animals get cleaning and nutrients. Both help each other for survival.
Crayfish live in the sea and when grown Clownfish are get protection from the predators. Clownfish are immune to the animal stings. Football sharks are the tankers, algae, pollution, small fish eat algae, large fish eat small fish, sharks are top predators.
That's an ecosystem.
Every organism plays an important role. Even a tiny algae support the entire reef ecosystem. If one species disappears, the whole ecosystem is affected.
Thousands of species live here, included fish, starfish, and corals. Coral reefs are one of Earth's most biodiverse ecosystems. A single reef can host thousands of species.
Reef restoration is treated by the science plan a baby coral like underwater garden. Nursery corals help prepare damaged fossils.
Healthy corals are implanted in reef. This improves marine habitat. Technology helps in save the reef.
They attract marine life. They restore damaged habitats and reef. They are mostly found under the sea.
Artificial reefs are man-made structures. All shifted special structures can become artificial reefs. They are placed underwater.
Healthy coral reef. Damaged coral reef. It will be colorful. It will be white and
Finish.
rich and biodiversity. It will be full of fish. It is white and broken. It is not rich in biodiversity. It has no fish and no marine life in it.
Reef zones. Coral reefs have different zones. Different reef zones support different species. Some species live in specific zones.
Reef crest faces waves. Reef flat is shallow. 4 reefs is deeper. Each zone supports unique life. Reef zones act like neighborhoods.
Coral spawning model. New corals began to grow. Fertilization occurs in ocean water. Larvae developed after fertilization. It looks like an underwater snowstorm.
Coral reefs are found in tropical water. Major reefs can be found in Australia, Maldives, and Indonesia. The largest coral reef is the Great. Coral reefs are found in tropical water. Major reefs can be found in Australia, Indonesia, and the Maldives. The largest coral reef is the Great.
Importance of coral reef to human beings. Coral reef protect coastline. They reduce wave damage. They support to fishing industries and they also promote tourism. Coral reefs protect millions of people from storms. They support fishing and tourism industries. Reef organisms help in medicine research. Threats to coral reef. Coral reefs are disappearing rapidly worldwide. Human activities are biggest threats. Pollution damages reefs and plastic harm marine
We are going there and removing our.
overfishing disturb parasites, climate changes cause bleaching, protecting reefs are pollution.
Underwater reef caves. Reef caves are natural shelters. Fish hide inside. Crabs and sea creatures live. Caves protect marine life. Usually underwater reef caves formed within a coral reef. Living coral structure or limestone reef.
Coral grows very slowly. Large corals takes thousands of years to form. Fast growing corals help to rebuild reefs.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, my dear student. Today we have the interesting topic of marine biologist. Do you know who a marine biologist is?
Do they study about only fishes, sir?
Not just a fish, my dear student. A marine biologist studies about many varieties of marine plants and animals, including corals, sharks, whales, sea turtles, and tiny organisms like plankton.
What qualifications are needed for this exciting
You should study biology in school, then complete a BSc marine biology, zoology, or life science in college.
Enough. Activity. Good. Right. Well done, children. Great. It should be said. Yeah, it will not come right. First is
It is my pleasure to present our Expo model on deep sea creatures, the life found at depths. The ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, but surprisingly 80% of it remains unexplored. The deep sea is one of the last great frontiers on our planet. It is a world of complete darkness, freezing temperature, and enough water pressure, yet it's a thousand variety of life. Good morning, everyone. I'm a merchant navy engineer. Do you know what our job is?
Yes, we take care of the ship's engine and electrical system. We make sure the ships go safely across the ocean.
That's wonderful. What should students study to become a merchant navy engineer?
After the class 12 with physics, chemistry and mathematics, students can join marine engineering or related course through the entrance exam.
Today I'm going to explain about the model anglerfish with glowing blue in the dark ocean. Anglerfish is a deep sea fish found in midnight zone. It lives where sunlight cannot reach.
important point. Quickly.
Our model is jumbo octopus with all light fins. The jumbo octopus gets its name from a star-shaped fish.
The jumbo octopus is one of the deepest living octopuses. It is unique.
We are here to talk about the sea cucumber on the ocean floor.
Sea cucumbers are soft-bodied marine animals. They move slowly across the ocean floor by feeding upon dead and organic matter.
Yes.
We are going to talk about midnight zone.
Midnight zone.
Midnight zone begins around 1000 meters deep. No sunlight reaches the zone. The environment is completely dark. The pressure is extremely high.
1 kilometer deep.
Many animals produce their own life. Food are limited in these regions. They adapt themselves for their survival. We are delighted to present our model Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest place on the earth. It is located at Pacific Ocean. The trench is nearly 11 kilometers deep. Scientists use deep sea submarines to explore it. Many areas are still unaccessible. This trench helps the scientists to explore the earth's surface. We are going to talk about the deep sea showing the Hadal Zone light. The Hadal Zone is the deepest ocean region. It includes the deep ocean's pressure here is extremely high and the environment is cold and dark.
Many species are found nowhere. Scientists use special equipment to study this zone. Research
We are going to give information about bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the production of light by living organisms. Many deep sea animals use this air.
Specific use light for communication. Blue and green lights are most common. Bioluminescence is important for surveying in darkness. It's spectacular display in the deep ocean.
Here is the giant squid with long tentacles. This is one of the largest invertebrates on Earth.
The giant squid has fish and smaller squids. It lives far below the ocean surface. It is an important predator for deep sea ecosystems.
Our model is about vampire squid. Vampire squid lives in deep part of the ocean. It can survive with very little oxygen. It can,
Unlike other squids, it feeds on marine straw. Webbed hands help it to catch the food
Yes, 2 points each.
Our topic is marine straw. Marine straw consists of tiny organic particles. It comes from dead plants and animals. It traps the nutrients to deeper water.
Our model is anti-crab near hydrothermal vents.
The crab was discovered on deep ocean waters. It has hairy claws covered with bacteria.
We are going to talk about a group of lanternfish with glowing spots.
Lanternfish are small deep sea fish. They have special light producing organs. This light helps them to communicate and hide.
Yes.
I am happy to present about comb jelly.
What jelly? Comb jelly. Comb jelly.
One of the most beautiful creatures in the ocean, even though it looks like a jellyfish, actually belongs to a different group of. Our model is a soft, transparent marine animal that lives in ocean and on the earth. It moves using tiny comb-like nose that sparkles with beautiful rainbow colors.
Yes.
Our model is all about volcanic vent with tube bombs and hot water. It is known as hydrothermal vents. Hydrothermal vents are cracks in the ocean floor. Hot water rich water flows from these vents.
Bacteria use chemicals from a vent to produce food. This process is called chemosynthesis. Hydrothermal vents.
Yes.
We are going to give the information about the giant isopod. The giant isopod is a fascinating deep sea animal. Giant isopod. The giant isopod is a fascinating deep sea animal. It is closely related to pill buckthorn. Importance and features of giant isopod. Giant isopod feeds on dead fish and whales, and it also helps for the cleanliness of the deep ocean
They
floor.
eat the small fish.
Adaptations of deep sea animals. Deep sea animals have many special creatures for their survival. Many animals have large eyes to detect lights.
Yes.
Today we will talk about deep sea jellyfish.
Deep sea jellyfish live in a dark ocean water. Most of the species produce their own light. Their bright light confuses the predators.
Many species have long tentacles for catching the prey. There are plankton and small fish. Some deep sea jellyfish are still undiscovered.
Super. Well done, children. Great.
Plastic pollution in ocean is one of the biggest environmental problems facing our planet today. Every millions of tons of plastic enter the sea from rivers, beaches and cities.
Tiny plastic particles called microplastic also
Louder.
shine on the candy actually after removing it. It's plastic waste to
Super. Well done, model. Yes.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Future Careers 2040. Today we have a special guest, a marine environmental scientist.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes. Enough. 115.
Microplastics are tiny plastic particles smaller than 5 mm.
Fish eat these animals. Other plastics move through the food chain. Humans can also consume microplastics by eating seafood.
They will, by consuming seafoods, they will eat.
Injured turtles may lose their ability to swim. Many turtles die because they cannot escape plastic. Sea turtles often mistake plastic bag for jellyfish. Eating plastic blocks their digestion system.
Again, same eating plastic.
Whales are accidentally eat large amount of plastic. Large amount of plastics are block their digestion system. Ocean currents carry plastic waste into whale habitats. Reducing plastic waste helps protect whales.
So we should not harm the marine life. Yes.
We help you to reduce plastic pollution, reduce waste, using fewer plastic pollution, reuse means using items many times.
Recycling helps in natural resource and energy. Proper waste segregation improves recycling. Single-use plastic and their impact. Single-use plastic are used only once. Example include plastic bags, straws.
Marine animals mistake impossible plastic pollution damages marine ecosystem.
Coral reefs are the home for thousands of marine species. The plastics block the coral reefs. The plastic blocks the sunlight needed to the coral reefs.
Coral reefs become weak and they die. Damage reef affect medicinal reefs.
Beach cleanups remove harmful debris. Waste bins encourages proper disposal. Recycling reduces coastal pollution.
Reactivity can replace plastic. Cost less are reduced to plastic by
Gas container can be reduced. Plastic packing can be
Loudly, little loudly.
Beach cleanup campaign. Beach cleanup campaign removes plastic waste. Volunteers collect bottles, bags, and litter.
Community and students can participate. Every piece of plastic removed protects the ocean.
Seabirds mistake plastic for their food.
Loudly.
Seabirds mistake plastic for their food.
Yes, so they swallow plastic bags and plastic causes starvation and death. Many scientists found plastics in seabirds.
biodegradable plastics break down naturally. They are made from plant-based material.
This class lacks voice.
They reduce long-term pollution. They are not complete solution. Reducing unnecessary plastic use is important. Recycling reduces pollution. Every household can segregate waste. It is a daily simple habit. Clean ocean management from
Plastics are tiny pieces of plastic. Small fishes and plants are with them. Bigger fish meet the smaller fish.
These chemicals may affect human health. Reducing plastic use lower risk. Recycling and proper disposal are important.
Plastic pollution and human health. Plastic pollution affects both animal and human health.
Plastic-free ocean is the goal for the future. We must reduce single-use plastic. Please.
eco-friendly alternative alternative. Every small action counts. Let's protect our
Yes,
life.
very small action by everybody saves it. Yes.
Most ocean plastic comes from rivers. Plastic waste is thrown on roads and rain. Rivers transform plastic waste to marine may mistake plastic for printing return keeps rivers clean. Plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose. Plastic bottles take 450 years. Sunlight breaks plastic into microplastics.
Many marine animals and wildlife are get affected by plastic.
Plastic cause incidents are and many animals died from plastic waste. Most deaths are lost or abandoned species. They continue trapping marine animals. They remain the ocean for years. Recycling nets helps to save marine life. Animal fishing is important. Ocean cleanup technologies. Millions of tons of plastic enter the ocean every year.
Like this.
The collected waste is sorted and recycled whenever possible. This system protects fish and other marine organisms.
Waste segregation saves oceans. Waste segregation separates biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Composting are necessary. They are not the complete solution.
Biodegradable plastic break down with microorganisms. They decompose faster than plastic.
Plastic pollution in ocean is a serious environmental challenge that affects both marine life, ecosystem, and human health.
Super. Do you know one thing? 4-5 years ago, I think we lined up all our vans and say no to plastic. Remember that image? Yes. In our ground. We were the first school to do that. Okay. So you have taken the topic today. My memory goes there. Well done. Well done.
Close up. Live or close?
And open again.
Ah, yes.